Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be showing you guys how to bypass MDM lock on your iPad, iPod, iPhone, whatever. It's very easy, one click, and all you need is a Windows computer and your iPad and a lightning cable. So let's get right into it. So what you want to do is you select your language, your region, whatever. So I'll select my region, set up manually, then you want to choose your Wi-Fi. This is really easy, it's one click, instant, no waiting at all. So, well, you will wait for about 10 seconds, but that's okay. I figure it's okay. And as you can see, you wait until the management thing shows up. So let's wait for a minute. And as you can see, so now it says right configuration. So mine is MDM locked, obviously. So as you can see right there. So what you want to do is you want to go to 3D tools, open it up, and click. And as you can see, it says activated. And you want to click skip setup right here, and skip setup assistant. And your iPad will turn off. And what it will essentially do is it should activate at least. That's what it did for me. So, and as you can see, there you go. We're in a springboard. Fully untethered, no gimmicks. You will see this right here, unfortunately. I don't know how to get rid of that, but as you can see, your MDM is bypassed. Now, just to show you that if I reboot, unplug it from my computer, turn it back on again. Damn, it's dusty already. Get out of there. There you go. There you go. So as you can see, it works perfect. So yeah, that's how you bypass MDM on your iPad. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't, well, I guess you didn't. If it doesn't work for you, I'll try and help you. And yeah, it's great. So that's it.